What it do, YouTube? Is your boy MPO back again. So I'm just quickly going to update you guys about the Nasdaq chart. I did a video yesterday, a whole breakdown of where I'm anticipating Nasdaq to be, engaging the buy stops or the sell limits or buy side liquidity. If you did not watch the video, please, I highly recommend you go watch it first and then you come back to this video as I did a full breakdown on Nasdaq. So let's just dive into it. As you can see, we did reach our sell side liquidity or sell stops, or should I say buy limits. Overall, the targets I'm aiming is actually this targets at 21,974, and this is the daily. Yeah, this is the daily volume imbalance and also the weekly, but basically this is actually my target because I'm actually overall bullish. As I said, I'm not actually looking to sell Nasdaq. I'm just looking for buys. Right now we are actually in our macro, 920 macro to 940. All right, let's see if we can. I'm gonna look for entry though. Okay, as you can see, this is the opening, right? Price just shot up without actually giving us a pullback. Well, as you can see, we did take out this liquidity. All we have to look is for a breaker, right? So if we go on our 5 minutes, we have one here, which is this high here, this short-term high. So you can just mark it off. This is just on the 5 minute. So let's just see. All right, mark it black. Now we took out this internal buy stops, or should I say buy side liquidity. So I'm actually expecting a pullback. So guys, if there's no pullback, we do not chase the market. Please just wait for a pullback. No retest, no entry. As you can see, price is rapidly just going. This is the midnight high. Alright, we'll just have to wait for the pullback, guys. Alright, I'm not gonna involve myself until the market actually retests back here. Back to this breakup, this green box, or this felt really good, one of the two, because basically my stops will actually be here, just this low or this low. But I would actually make this low because if I'm actually going to target the highs, which I'm going to swing trade this trade. Oh yep, I'm going to swing trade this trade, right? Then basically it will give me a nice risk to reward of 1 to 8 with my stop loss of 45 points here, 45 pips. So it's up to you according to your risk or parameters. Yeah guys, we just have to wait for this pullback. We did take out an internal buy side liquidity here, and internal, so basically we just need to wait for a pullback. Look at this huge imbalance here, so we need to actually wait for the pullback. So this is already engaged. We engage. Yeah, this is alright guys, I think that will be it. We'll just have to wait for the pullback and then just enter price as it comes to this short-term high. Just go to your lower time frames and look for entries. Yeah, that'll be it though. Trade safe and goodbye.